I'm going to show you how to make Thai green curry paste. So here is all my ingredients. So here's I have a half of tablespoon of sea salt, and here half tablespoon of shrimp paste, and I use this brand, and this is Thai brand. So here I have half tablespoon of white peppercorn, and I have 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, and here is my spices more. And here I have around 3 tablespoons of shallot or red onion. I have around 6 pieces of small garlic I already peel off, half like this, half big size of a big piece like this. And here I have around 4 galangal lamb lip. You can also use fruit, the best one, but I can't find it here, so use the lip instead of fruit. And here I have I use 2 sticks of lemongrass, and I already chop it up here. And here is my galangal, and I have a used big piece like this. It looks like ginger, but not really ginger. It's a bit more hard. Galangal. So, and here in my big bowl here I have handful of coriander leaf and the stem too, and I have around 5 green chillies, look like this, and I bought from Asian shop. But all my ingredients you can find in Asian store. So this is supposed to use Thai basil, but I don't have Thai basil. I'm going to use coriander leaf. So normally in Asian we use this all the time, but it's too small to put all my ingredients. So today I'm not going to use this. Instead I use the food processor. So this is for the grind the spice. So I put all my spice into my grinder here. My salt and my white peppercorn, my cumin seed, my coriander seed, and I've been roast all the spice around 1 minute in the stove. So now I put to fry. So now I'm going to put my spice into my food processor that take me easy way and also save my time. So I'm going to put all my spices, my shallot, galangal, and my garlic, lemongrass, and my thing here, and also my chili. So I'm going to put the frying this about 1 minute to let have some room to put coriander at the last. So now I put my spices blended in 1 minute now. So I'm open the cover, and I'm going to put my grind powder that I grind early, all my cumin seed, coriander seed, my peppercorn into my big food processor, and my shrimp paste. And the last I'm going to put my you need like big handful of coriander leaf like that. You just put all into food processor, and you grind it until all combine together well. So I'm going to grind it. So here is my Thai green curry paste. I've been grinding for about 2-3 minutes, and done now. Everything look great, and this curry paste is good to make curry and other different recipe with it. And this curry paste is you always make a bit more every time, and you can put this in the fridge maybe around 2 to 3 days. But it is good to freeze it in the freezer. Can last for a month and even more. And you can put in the ice container or the small Tupperware. So I hope you enjoy my videos and see you again soon. Bye.